In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share a meeting link in Microsoft Teams. This is a really useful skill if you want to quickly invite people to an online meeting without sending a formal calendar invite, or if you're hosting a one-off call and just need a simple link to share in chat or email. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Teams site. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in with your usual account. Once you're on the main Teams page, you'll see the standard layout with your chats, teams, and meetings, depending on your version. What we're interested in here is the area where you can start or schedule a meeting. Look for the option that lets you create or start a new meeting. This may appear as a button near the top of the screen or as a small camera or video icon, usually labeled something like Meet or New Meeting. Click on the highlighted option that opens the meeting controls. This is the place where Teams prepares a meeting for you, even before anyone joins. When you click that highlighted button, Teams will either open a panel or a small pop-up with details for the meeting. On this screen, you should see an option specifically labeled Copy Meeting Link, or something very similar. This is the key to sharing your meeting quickly. Go ahead and click on Copy Meeting Link. The moment you click it, Teams will copy a unique meeting URL to your clipboard. You won't see anything obvious change on the screen, but the link is now ready to paste. From here, you can open an email, a chat message, a calendar event, or even a document, and simply paste the link using your usual paste command. The people you share it with can click that link at the scheduled time to join the meeting directly. A quick tip: it's a good idea to add a short message around the link, like the date, time, and purpose of the meeting, so your participants know what it's for. And remember, anyone who has that link will be able to request to join, so only share it with people you actually want in the meeting. That's all there is to it. You've just learned how to create and share a meeting link in Microsoft Teams.